Okay, so today I'll be attempting to install these like intake snorkel funnel things from ECS. I got them for free off of a buddy's 335i, but they were for the stock intake, which I still have on my 2011 328i, and so we're gonna see if we can get them to work. Here's the car. It is a 2011 328i E91 wagon. So first step, we're gonna pop the hood, which is down here. Go here. I just got done driving it. It's really dirty, but here it is. It says bone stock M52. Basically, the snorkel funnels go right here, right behind the grill, so it should look pretty good. The funnel here to drop these in is held in by just two little pop plastic rivets. I don't have any of my good tools because they're all at a friend's house because we are swapping turbos on his 2007 335i, so I don't have all my normal tools, but we're gonna make this work, and I'm gonna try to do this one-handed. If you have other hardware for these push pins right here, I would not recommend doing this, but since for the sake of time and I have push pins, I'm just gonna cut them. Just cut the head off of them. Well, that just went in my engine bay, but oh well, that'll be fine. So this comes off. Set that aside. Put the other ones. Then these scoops should drop in. When you're putting these in, you have to go all the way back. It's going to be a pretty tight fit. You don't want them to go anywhere. And then you just kind of set them in there, like that. And basically, they'll look like this. And you'll set this on here. Technically, if I could just put two screws back in it, it'll be fine. But it'll look something like that. Obviously, pressed in just gives it a little bit more of an aggressive look. You know, put your grills back in. Put those back in. Yeah, those are secure. Real secure. But yeah, that's pretty much what they'll look like. My bumper's really messed up, but I feel like those will look. We just add like something, a little something back there. I found two screws. They definitely aren't the correct, obviously, but they will work. This job legitimately took me like 10 minutes to do, so yeah. Last thing you have to do, close up the hood. You're good to go.
Aside from my soul.